Check this out, guys. Black nose crappie. First one ever. Insane. Alright guys, today we'll be fishing one of these things I created in the past. I call it the jig spinner. Basically it's a tail spin. And it's just a small little willow blade on a 16th ounce jig head. And this thing slays. Let's see what we catch today. Tsurinoya Spirit Fox BFS bait caster, 4-pound test line, and the Dexterity rod. Oh, look at you. This is not what I'm going for. People catching trout are catching sunnies. Look at that. Got him! Got him! Got him! My jig spinner. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Got him, got him. Oh man. Good one, good one, good one. Come on, Jimbo, keep this. There he goes. There we go. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. Check that out, guys. My jig spinner. Let's go. Oh no. Don't want to step on my trout, man. My trout. Trout. Oh, right in front. Yo, it's a black nose crappie. Black nose crappie. Oh man, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, that's crazy. That is crazy. On a jig spinner. On a jig spinner. Oh man, gotta take a photo of this guy. This guy's crazy. Yo guys, that was so sweet. Look at this black nose crappie. It just smashed my jig head right when I got up here. But dude, that is so cool. This guy must go back in the water. There he goes, man. Black nose crappie. Oh! Yo, it's a crappie day. Slab crappie, let's go. Second crappie. Yes. All right. Now this time I could do a photo of him with, I guess, the lure in his mouth. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Dude, I love fishing for crappies. If I don't catch trout, crappie it is. Nice. Good size. You got it? Oh yeah. I got you. Hold right there. Let me get this out of your way.
It's like inside the hook. Yeah. Let's take care of that later, bro.
Well, I'm trying to get it out because it's gonna be in your way. All right. Hook chin, male. Get through the. Keep going. Through the gills.
Oh, they got teeth?
Oh yeah, they have teeth. On the tongue too, bro. Oh, dude, you gotta.
It's all good, bro.
Oh, it's right here. Yo, he's mine now.
Whoa.
Hey, look, I caught a trout. All right, folks, time's is up. But I gotta say, man, fishing with the BFS setup right here, the Tsurinoya Spirit Fox, Dexterity, and also my jig spinner. I also use some spoons and jerk baits too. I caught a few fish here and there, some smallies. But man, I haven't thrown one of these for so long. I mean, when I first made it, I love throwing it for trout, bluegills, and brown trout. Love it so much. I wish I threw it this spring. It would have been a lot better when they stocked the browns. But you know, with the rainbows here, they kind of like it. They're okay. I mean, today was a very slow day. But at the end of the day, I caught my trout. That's all I need. All I need is one. But man, sorry for the noise. There's a lot of people just driving by here. I am actually very stoked. The fish that I caught today that I was happy about was actually that black nose crappie. That thing was awesome. First one ever. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna do some more trout fishing closer to home where they stock trout in the lakes. So yeah, I'll be kayak fishing for them. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those.